A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we come with a very easy love spell that can do anyone, and this spell is very easy. Anyone can use this spell. This is very easy and effective love spell. This spell is Meet Me love spell. After doing this spell, your lover will come to you to meet you and beg you for his or her love. So I'm going to start this love spell. What you have to take with you to do this spell, you have to take a pen. It could be any colors, a plain paper, a cloth of your lover. It should not be your, it should be your lover. It should be gifted by him or herself to you. It can be anything like hanky, socks, innerwear, whatever it is, you can use it. You can use anything up of your lover. It should be used. The crucial part is it should be used by your lover. What we have to do, you have to see this video with the full of care, and some instruction are: this spell is Meet Me love spell. After doing this spell, your lover would come to you, and that person can't live without you, and they would admire to love you and see you, want you, hug you as soon as possible after doing this spell. But the condition is you should have to give your full attention to this video. First of all, you have to write your name. Like for example, your name is Tom, and you have to write your name for 5 times in a row. You have to write, you have to make some arrows like this. Here you have to write your girlfriend name or partner name or your ex name or your crush name. For example, her name is Julie. You have to write Julie here. You have to write it, and these are the magical words that would attract your lover. Astum, Vilam, Asto, Dupa, Vilam, Astum, Dupa, Asto. These words you have to write it, and you have to say this word: Astum Vilam Asto Dupa Vilam Astum Dupa Asto. You have to say this word for 21 times. You have to say this word for 21 times. After you complete it, you can do it this spell at any time, any day, anywhere, but no one should see you or interrupt you while doing this love spell, because this spell is very powerful and you can use it anytime, and no age limit, no age requirements for this love spell. You have to fold this paper towards you and you have to keep this paper like this. After that, what you have to do, you have to keep this paper in this hanky or any cloth that you would use, put it in your pocket. After that, what you have to do, you have to go in front of your lover, ex, your crush. You don't have to say anything to him or her. You would see that person is trying to come back in your life, and instant that person would hug you and express that person his or her heart's feeling to you. If you have any kind of question, you can call us on our number that is showing top of the screen. Please like our video and subscribe our channel to more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.